Hello friends, my name is Ajay Kot. Today video topic is GIT in compiler in Java. When we write a program in any programming language, it is required the converting that is the code is the machine understandable for the basis of the machine only understandable of the binary language. According to the programming language, compiler difference the compiler programming the convert the high level language to machine level code. A Java programming language use the compiler is named as the Java. It is the convert the high level language code into the machine tool by coded. GIT is the part of the JUM is the optimize the performance of the application. GIT is the stand for the Java in time compiler. The GIT is the complexion is also known as the dynamic complexion. In the section we will be learn that is the GIT is the Java. It's a working and the process of the GIT is the compiler. Second point is the what is the GIT in Java. First one is the GIT is the Java is the internal part of the JUM. It is the performance the any time of the over the level of the other words. It is a long learning computer intensive programming that is provided the best performance environment. It is the optimization of the performance of the Java application at the compile of runtime. And GIT is the composition of the in schedule the two AOT and the interpretation to the translate code of the machine tool. AOT is the compiler compiles the code into the native machine language, the same as the normal compiler. It is the performance the bytecoded of the JVM into the machine code. The following optimized the done by the GIT compilers: method language, local optimization, control flow optimization, constant loading, date of the optimization, Google optimization. Advantages of the GIT compiler: first one is the it is required the less memory language uses, and second point is that the code is the optimized the done at the runtime. Third point is the it is use the different language of the optimization, and second point is and last point is the it is the reduce the page of the different, and second point is the disadvantages of the GIT compiler. It is increase the complexity of the program. The program which is the less line of the code done does not take the different of the GIT comparison. It is used to the memory working of the GIT compiler. The GIT compiler is the environment of the variable of the property set of the JUM is read of the classes file bytecoded of the interfaces. After that the passes to the JVM compiler is the further process after the getting of the bytecoded. The GIT is the compiler transformation to into the negative coded machine read of the code. First point is the Java development kit is the JDK. Provided the Java compiler, Java is the compiler to the Java sources code into the bytecoded classes file. After that the JUM loads that is the class file runtime and the transfer the bytecoded into the binary coded machine tools. Further up the machine code is the use of the interpreter. Second point is that we know that the interpretation of the Java bytecoded reduce the performance of the negative application of the research of the implements the GIT compiler. The GIT compiler is the performance of the application of the compiling the bytecoded into the negative machine coded. It is the deflect when a method is the JVM is directly the complied to the code of the method without interpreting the does not require the much memory uses. Therefore the GIT is the compiler boards of the performance of the netting application. We understand the working of the GIT compiler with the help of the following flowchart. The following features is the relationship of the GIT compiler with the JRE and JVM. Optimization is level. It is the known as the optimization level is the level is produced the certain level of the performance. GIT is the compiler is provide the following level of the optimization. First one is the warm. After the starting of the Java application, most of the method of the compiled when the reached of the threshold hot. The methods of the more than one are scheduled for the hot complexion very hot. The methods of the schedule for the very hot if they are the not searching but hot searching. The methods is the more than 5% are scheduled for the searching comparison. The defect at the initial optimization level is the warmer we get the better performance if the optimization level is the hotter the increase the cost in the term of the memory and the CPU. If the higher optimization level is the virtual machining use of the thread called as the sampling. It is the indicated the method of the take the long of the time is extended. The higher optimization level is the following techniques. Thank you.